In this exciting tutorial, you're going to learn how to sew a zipper at the back of the dress with very easy steps. I'm going to show you easy techniques that you need to know as a beginner. Make sure you watch the video up to the end because I'll share some important secrets that you need to learn in zipper sewing. If you'd love to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So step number 1 is mark where you will sew the zipper at the back of the dress. So after sewing your dress and leaving a zipper allowance, you're going to mark where the zipper with a chalk, like I am doing. You get your zipper and mark where the zipper is going to end, like I am doing very easily. So the zipper will end here. I'm going to mark as you can see me do. Then place the zipper. Then from the bottom going down, you're going to sew. So this is where I marked. Let me just show you again. From the mark going down, you're going to sew. I'm going to take this to the sewing machine. So right here where I marked, I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and run a straight stitch. So let's just take our dress to the sewing machine. So I'm just going to run a stitch over here all the way down, but remember the zipper is going to be up. So guys, if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So after sewing, we have to do the reverse stitch. It's very important. This will help the stitch to be stronger, reinforcing the stitch. So after doing the reverse stitch, just going to remove your thread and trim and cut it off, as you can see me do, cutting it out. Now let's pin the zip to the dress. So now that we have sewn the bottom part, we're going to pin the zipper to the dress like I'm doing. So this is an important trick. Pinning will help you to sew neatly. You don't just have to sew directly. If you are an expert, you can go ahead and sew directly, but as a beginner, it's important to use this tip I'm showing you, this secret tip of pinning. So I'm going to pin the zipper as you can see me do. Just fold this zip allowance like I am doing, then pin all the way. So now this is an important tip before sewing. I'm going to show you an important secret tip before sewing. You have to do what I'm doing. Put the zipper in the seam right and fold it like that. This is the seam allowance as you can see. Just put your zipper there and fold it, then pin. So this is the important secret tip I was telling you about. This will help the zip to look very neat. Do the same on the other side. Get your zipper, put it at the back of the seam allowance like I am doing. So next you're going to remove the pins as you sew. I'll take this to the sewing machine and run a straight stitch. So I'm just going to be removing the pins as I stitch on my sewing machine. So you just have to take your time and keep removing the pins until you reach the very end. So I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. So after sewing, this is what we have. So my zipper is very big. You can trim it off if you have a long zip like me. Then this is what we have. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video tutorial useful, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye and see you in my next tutorial. If you want to learn how to sew this beautiful dress, you can check out my videos or check the video linked in the description box.